My name is Tom Lynch. I'm the president and CEO of all the unified companies. When I'm meeting with customers, I point out the fact that we've been manufacturing in the United States for over 150 years using all American-based material.
At Unified Screening and Crushing, we are vested in the success of our customers by having the largest inventory of manganese on the ground, in stock, ready to sell. We also have very large inventories of wire cloth mesh ready, available to deliver to the customer.
All our manganese parts are quality control tested all throughout the process to ensure quality and consistency. We have full traceability of all of the products that come out of the foundry so that we can trace back and look up the quality spec sheets on all of them to ensure that they're in spec.
SuperFlow is a great product for this industry because the ability for it to function like a square in terms of its square openings, but then allowing to have a much greater throughput. The ability for these wires to vibrate independently while still holding its accuracy for the opening you're looking for will increase your throughput. It will prevent blinding, it'll prevent pegging, and it works great in wet environments.
SuperFlow screens have a great impact on our industry if you have a pegging or a blinding problem. I've got a customer in northern Arizona that put a set in 2 years ago and run through winter, summer, and winter again, and finally lost his intake screen after 2 years. He's not had a blinding problem, a pegging problem, even with frozen material. So I would recommend SuperFlow screens if you have a pegging or blinding problem.